Do you want to earn $10, $20, or even more than $100 every single day? It's all possible when you try utilizing the website that I'm about to show you. Can you see all these people right here? They're all earning $10 to $150 of PayPal money per day. Later on, I'll reveal the method of how these people earn money online. They had also cashed out their money using different payment methods, but most of them use PayPal. You can also achieve this if you watch this video until the end. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how you can earn money with this online opportunity and how you can maximize your earnings. This is a brand new method that all of you can try even if you're just a beginner. And even if it is just a new website, it's totally free and you don't need to invest your money here or buy or sell anything. All you need to do is to prepare your laptop, computer, or phone. You also need to watch and listen carefully to what I'm about to share with you so that everything will run smoothly and so that you'll know what to do. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Before we go deeper into the actual steps, make sure you have a PayPal account so that it'll be easier for you to cash out your earnings. If you don't have one yet, go to paypal.com and simply create your new account there for free. If you already have a PayPal account, just kindly go to youtube.com and search for motivational videos for students on the search bar. And so maybe you're wondering, what are we going to do with these videos? Don't worry, you won't have to recreate any of those videos. You don't have to produce or edit videos or even record yourself in front of the camera. No, that's not what we're gonna do with YouTube. You also wouldn't need to create your own YouTube channel. The secret method on how to earn money with YouTube videos is this method. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. So let's start with step number 1. Go to uii.io. On this website, you can earn money by having some visitors visit your URLs. What I mean about this is that we'll use this website to shorten the links that we'll get from YouTube videos. So we'll choose 3 motivational videos for students on YouTube and then we'll use uii.io. Step number 2, create a free account on this website. This is how you can start. First, create your own account, and then you'll shorten the links to earn PayPal money every single day. This is a pay-per-click method. So, why should we join uii.io? They actually provide the reasons here why we should try using their website. First, they have fewer ads, but with a higher payout. It's stated here that 95% of the income on their website is spent to pay their users. Second, they have higher rates. They have this kind of payment system and payout rates. Tier 2 and 3 countries have the highest rates, and they also accept multiple views from the same viewer. Let me show you the payout rates on this website. So, in Australia, when people from this country click on your links, whether they use a desktop, mobile phone, or tablet, you can earn $6. The same goes for countries like Canada, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States. You can check the payout rates from other countries as well. Now let's go back to the reasons why we should join uii.io. The third reason is that they have a 20% referral bonus. This is a lifetime referral bonus, so you can share the referral link with your family and friends and receive 20% of their earnings. Fourth, their minimum payout is also quite low. You can already cash out with only $5 in your account, and you can cash out your earnings using different payment methods. Lastly, they prioritize customer service in order to guide, support, and answer all their users' queries. Moving on to step number 3, go back to YouTube and copy the link of the videos. For example, I'll open this one, this video, and this video right here as well. For this particular video, go to the share button and then copy the link. Then before you paste it on the uii.io website, let me show you a script that you can copy in order to attract more viewers. This here is a sample script. The title could be like this one, Motivational Videos for All Students Out There. There's no substitute for hard work. Here are some videos you can watch that can inspire and motivate you. Just put the links right here. Link number 1, link number 2, and link number 3. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Before pasting the links here, we need to go back to the uii.io website. We first need to register for free in order to start. Just hit the free sign up button and then you'll be directed to this page to register for a new membership. Type in your username, email, and password and check this box after reading and agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy of the website, and then click the register button. After you log into your brand new account, you'll be directed to your own dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can see here the total views of your link, your total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Now let's shorten the link that we copied from YouTube. Click the new Shorten Link button and then paste the link that we copied from a particular video. Now, copy the shortened link and go back to the script I prepared earlier. Paste the shortened link right here and repeat the process with the next 2 links. It's really quite easy, right? Remember that the more links you put and share with other people, the more money you can make. Because you've provided so many links to other people, they have options to watch whatever they want. After putting all the shortened links here, go to the file and then download it as a PDF document. We'll use this PDF file here later on, go to another website to get some free traffic. And so for the final step, go to SlideShare.net. This website is where you can download presentations, infographics, and other documents. SlideShare.net has over 60 million total visits. They have millions of users and everyone can read and use the website for free. All you have to do is to join for a free account. Click the sign up button to join. You can sign up through your email, your Google, or Facebook accounts. Just click the upload button and select the document that you'll upload. And that would be the PDF file we saved earlier. After uploading the file, people can see your file and then click the links provided there. Remember that the total amount you'll receive will depend on the countries where the people come from. If they were from top-tier countries, you can earn big bucks. And so that's it. That's how you can use YouTube videos to earn PayPal money. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.